spent the last 6 months working at home, staring at a laptop screen, which is obviously closer and smaller, I've actually started to get headaches because of the strain I'm putting on my eyes, because it's not set up for long-term use. Completely gone. I know. I was absolutely so excited to say the fact that they are no more. I really have. So the equipment, I'm so much more comfortable now. As I say, I mean, I'm sure you can tell the fact that you're propped up at the moment. I'm looking up at you today rather than looking down. So I've got more things to look away from my screen from and relax my eyes, and it's so much more comfortable. And I couldn't believe it. I was like, such a simple thing. You know, I saw your video about, you know, changing your posture, having lumbar support, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, people just don't think about it because it's a normal setup in an office job, is to have the lumbar support, have the desktop screen or the laptop raisers or whatever. And you just don't think about it when you have to work from home. You just kind of go, well, I've got a laptop, I'll just crack on, or I'll sit on the sofa or something. And it's only when it affects your health that's, you know, you suddenly go, no, something's not right. One of my friends, she messaged me because she was out for coffee with our mutual friend, and she said, "Oh, I've just been out for a coffee, and Sue tells me that you've been experiencing headaches because of working from home." She went, "What have you done?" Because she's started to get migraines as well. Exactly the same thing as me. You know, she's plonked on a dining room table or a desk. You know, she's got a desk space, but again, she's on a laptop. She's looking down. So when I said, "Look, try this," because since I've had mine raised, I said, they've gone. They've just completely gone. I said, you might also need to invest in a keyboard and a mouse, because when you've got your laptop raised, you don't really want to be typing and mouse pad up here. And she went, "Oh, I've already got a mouse, so she's just going to get a keyboard as well." And because she's had the same, she was headaches, and I told her your tip about looking away from the screen and reading something in the distance, and she went, "Oh, I never even thought about giving my eyes a rest." She went, I'm concentrating on giving my neck a rest." So your advice is travelling far. I've seen a few pubs recently, because of obviously everything that's happened with the pub industry. Some of the pubs are doing a work from pub sort of offer, where you pay whatever it's normally around about a tenner. And some pubs are doing it for 3 hours only. So you pay £10, 3 hours, you get your own booth and, you know, your own workspace where you've got power ports and things, and unlimited teas and coffees, and maybe a cake or some, you get some kind of delicatessen type food, sandwich, snack, something. And some are doing it for 2 to 3 hours for a set price. And I was like, oh, that's quite good. And then somebody went, oh yeah, but this pub's better, it's doing it for all day. And I just commented and went, actually looking at a laptop screen all day on 2 or 3 hours based on our conversation was, yeah, that's fine, you can do that. But for all day, you're going to start noticing, health issues and stuff. So I kind of messaged the pub and said, while it's great that you're doing this for your industry, the negative health effects on people might be something worth considering.